Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discuss about in a topic. The topic how to use Bluetooth headphone with the 90 NDO Switch. Nintendo Switch. Wireless audio finally landed on the Nintendo Switch in 2018, and while it seems nice to have options beyond the built-in headphone jack, Bluetooth on the Switch has some limitation because of the way the features was implemented. Since Nintendo has a mobile app that handles all chat app capabilities, Bluetooth audio will not work with local wireless, multiplayer and Bluetooth microphones are not supported. You can also only use one audio device and two wireless controllers at a time. Nintendo even warns players that they may encounter audio latency latency issues in certain situations. For a better Bluetooth experience, you will likely have to wait for the long rumored Switch 2. In the meantime, if you want to use the features, here's how to connect your Bluetooth headphones to the Nintendo Switch. As long as you are running variant 13.0.0 or higher on your Switch, Bluetooth audio will be available on the Switch OLED or Switch Lite and can be used while docked or in handheld mode. Your first order of business should be to select the system settings gear icon on the home screen and pick Bluetooth audio. At this point, you can put your Bluetooth device in pairing mode. This will vary based on your particular device put, but many true wireless earbuds simply require you to remove them from the case. Other headsets may have a pairing button you need to hold down. With the headphones in pairing mode, tap pair device on the switch screen. The console will search for nearby devices, then display any audio devices to find. If your headphones are listed, tap the entry and then OK to initiate the connections. If your switch cannot find your headphones or earbuds, try pressing the Y button on the controller. You may also need to put the headset in pairing mode again. Keep in mind that if you wish to add additional headsets, you must first disconnect from the current device. How to listen TV with your headphones. How to connect your Nintendo Switch Pro controller to your PC. How to capture and share screenshots or video clip on the Nintendo Switch. From this point on, Bluetooth audio should automatically connect whenever you try to use your Bluetooth audio device near the switch. However, once the features is in use, you can only connect two wireless controllers to the console. You won't have the ability to locate lost controller and cannot change grip order in the controller menu. You can turn off the widgets and manage connected device under the setting Bluetooth audio. Select the connected device and click disconnect device to unpair the headset. This will officially entry from consoles. As PC Mag editor of how to content, I have to cover a wide variety of topics and also make our stories accessible to everyday user considering my history as a technical writer, copywriter, and around freelancer. With this, we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.